Canva is one of the most popular graphic designing tool used by people around the world. When I started learning about graphic designing when I was in my undergrad college, the first tool I picked was Canva itself. And in this particular video, I want to talk about that 7 unknown tips and tricks about Canva that you can use today and will insanely helpful for you. Hi everyone, this is Prathamesh Pisal in front of you, and these are the 7 unknown tips and tricks about Canva that I wish I knew when I started using it. So the first one is to able to create QR code by having the links. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so in Canva, I'm trying to create a business card here. As you can see, I just select the template here and this is what I got. Now, if I'm trying to create a business card, I need to be having a QR code here so that people will scan it and will get to know about your contact details, or if you want to just send to your website, you can do that. Let me just show you how you can get QR code on Canva. Now you have to just go here in this toolbar and here you got this app section. Now in app section you have to just type your QR code and you will be get this application. You have to just click here and now I can enter an URL here. Now if you want to paste your URL of your portfolio video, you can do that. If you want to share your social media, you can do that. If you want to share your contact details or testimonial, you can just paste the link of that and you will get the QR code about it. Now for example, if I want to paste my YouTube channel link, I can do that. I just copy it, paste here, and I can just create a code. Now it just give me a code here. I can just place it at the perfect position and now I can get the PDF or JPEG and whatever it is. I can print it and share it to everyone. Now whoever just scan this QR code will redirect to my YouTube channel. So this is how it is easy. You can create QR code with the help of Canva. So go check out this feature. Now the next trick is very creative because now you can able to create that curve effect in the Canva. Now I found this very interesting, that's why I'm just sharing with you guys, and it is just amazing if you are using this particular effect. Let me just show you. Basically you have to just get the text and click here, go to effects panel and just click on curve. Now this curve will just mold your text in a semicircle format. Now if you want to control that particular curvature, you can do that. Now you have to just go down here and you can just customize the curvature of your text. Like I want to keep like this much, and now I can just use it anywhere. Like let me just try to create a design here. Now if I'm just copy and pasting here and aligning here, I can add one more time that effect, but this time I can just go to negative like this so that it can just create a chain of a text like this. Now this time I can just go to effect here and make it negative again like this. So this is how you can able to create any kind of design by using this wavy text effect. It is so interesting. I found this very interesting. That's why I'm just sharing with you guys. You can use this effect to create multiple amazing templates and design. So I know this is going to be helping you a lot. So go out there and use this particular wavy text effect. Okay, so now the next step will help you a lot because it's just saving you a lot of time if you are creating a complex design where you're having a multiple elements here and there and they just messed up. So now you can able to just align them if you want to align them horizontal or if you want to align them vertical. Now you can do that without having that struggle to align them perfectly. Now Canva will do this magic for you. Let me show you how it works. Now you have to just go to elements and let me just select some elements here. You can just get this brush, one more this and this, one more this, and now I can just need to be resize them because it's too big. Now I can just align them here and there. Let me just align here and there, and let's just make them messed up. It doesn't matter that if you are keeping your elements so close or so long, you can keep them anywhere. And now you have to just select all of them, click the right click here and go to space evenly, and here you got this tidy up function. Now when you click here, it just aligned your all elements in a one row. Now this is the magic that Canva has right now. I think this is the function will help you a lot. It happens me a lot of time, like I'm trying to create a design and I'm just trapped into this alignment things and I'm just can't able to focus on my creativity and on my design. So use this function in Canva and just get rid of from your alignment thing and just focus on your creativity and design. Now you guys gonna love this next trick because it just save a lot of time. Just like a before one, like I didn't even know about that this function is available in Canva. So what you have to do is like, you know that if you want to upload any kind of image or video in Canva, you have to download it from Google and just manually upload it on Canva. Then you can able to use that in your canvas and create your design. But now you can just do it directly. I think this function is also got by Photoshop, but I didn't know that this function is available on Canva. Now this function is basically help you to copy and paste the media from the internet directly to your canvas without having to download it on your local machine. Now let me show you how you can also do the same thing. Just go to your Google and type for any image, let's say skyscrapers, and just go to images, and you can just click any of them. Let's say I like this one. Now you have to just right click here, and instead of clicking on save image as, you can click here copy image. Just go to your canvas and just press Ctrl+V. Now this image is available on your canvas without you having to download and upload it. Now you can see it's just getting uploaded here and it just uploaded on your canvas. Now you can use this image on your design. Now this is gonna be helping you a lot and will save you a lot of time and will just make your workflow more smoother. Because again, if you have got any kind of design to create, you have to focus on your creativity instead of just worrying about the small things like upload and download that Canva do for you but you didn't know about. Even I got surprised when I got to know all these things. And if you're liking this video so far, guys, just hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and just let's move ahead. Now the next trick is very interesting and surprising at the same time, because I bet you guys you didn't know that this particular function is available on Canva. Now you can able to create that animated bars with the help of Canva. Let me just show you how you can do the same. You have to just go to search element and you have to just type for, let's say, bar graphs here. Bar charts, yeah. Now you can get that bar chart here and you can change the value of each and every bar. Let me just show you. Suppose let's say we have to decrease this particular bar, so I can go here and just change the value of, let's say, item number 2 for 14 to, let's say, 5. Now you can see this bar is just got decreases, and let's say we want to change this one, or let's say this one, 18 so I can change 18 to 12 and I can just decrease that particular bar here. So this is how you can use this particular bar function, and you can change the design, you can change the data and all these things. You can change the labels, values. There's a lot of possibility where you can use this particular bar graph function. I just amazed by just knowing that this particular function is available on Canva. Now if you have got the data to explain to your audience, you can use this graph animated bar function of Canva. Just put it on your presentation and you can able to explain them with the most simplest format. So this is how it works, and I highly recommend you guys to use this function and just explain your information to your audience. Now the next trick is about social media. Now you can embed your social media with the help of Canva, and you can get your post and design it and share to your other social media platforms with the help of Canva. So just let me show you guys how you can do that. You have to just go to this app function here and you have to search for embed. And when you click here, you will get this application called embed. Now you have got multiple social media platforms here. You can click any of them and you can get that particular content piece on your canvas. Or else you can go to your social media here and you can just copy the link of your post and paste it here. And you have to just click on add to design and it will just create a design of your particular post. As you can see here, I just got my post here and now I can design whatever I want. Let me just change the background to this gradient color, and now I can just download this and share it to my other social media platforms. So this is how it is easy. You can just embed your post and redesign your post and share it to your other social media platforms. Now this is very helpful function if you are a creator or if you are someone who just wanted to share your knowledge all across the social media platforms. So just go and use this trick and just spread your knowledge across all social media platforms. Now the last trick will blow your mind, because now you can able to create an image by just giving a prompt with the help of Canva, and you can use that image to your canvas and create great designs with the help of Canva. Now this is very interesting that Canva is integrating AI in their workspace, which is making it more easy to create design in Canva. Now what you have to do to get that image creation function, basically you have to go to app and just search here for image gen, and you will get this application. When you click here, that you have to describe the image that you want. Okay, let's just say that I want to create an image of a boy looking out from window in the futuristic city, and just hit create. So this is what I got from the image generation app. Now you can just use this image in your design and you can make your design more creative. Now creating a single graphic is becoming more and more easy for everyone. Now anyone can come to Canva and use all this function and create amazing designs, and this is how it is easy to you to create any kind of graphic with the help of Canva. So these are the 7 unknown tips and tricks about Canva that I wish I knew when I started using it. Go out there, use this particular platform and just create amazing designs by your creativity and by your imagination. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to reply each of you. And if you watched this video till the end, then just write in the comment section that I watched till the end. And if you are liking this video so far, guys, then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Do follow me on my socials at Prathamesh Pisal 2315. I will catch you, all of you guys, in the next one. This is Prathamesh Pisal signing off.